कब है এটা?
This is 21st.
एप्पल खाने से लाल होता है ये?
नहीं, totally wrong theory. Theory is totally incorrect. Please correct yourself. Ghosh.
घूस,
Yes.
जो चूड़ी,
Whatever it is. Various types of criminal activities. चौमुख लाल हो जाता है.
that will make you लाल.
माने your personality changes.
नहीं, पैसा आने से पर्सनली तो चेंज होता ही है. That is true.
যাই হোক ওদের पैसा আসার methodology is totally incorrect. এরকম অনেক আছে like this. You see like this.
अंकल जिस चीज पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना, आप तो कर्नल ठहरे, मतलब थे,
There is
एक्स
some
कर्नल.
doubt.
हाँ.
ठहरे when you are saying you were, now you are no more.
नो, यू आर कर्नल. तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, जो पॉलिटिकल वे पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं ना,
Political.
आपको तो कुछ नहीं होगा,
हाँ.
मेरे को ना उठा ले कोई
अच्छा
ना.
कौन? अच्छा उठा ऐसा नहीं.
काट दो इसको.
अच्छा, ऐसा like
नहीं, ऐसा होता नहीं है, हम लोग बहुत ही सेफ है इधर. लेकिन वो सब तो रहेगा
it
नहीं.
is a safe place.
बहुत सेफ है, बस डर लगता है कभी कभी, लेकिन
हाँ.
इट्स अ सेफ प्लेस. आप बहुत
जब आप
बाकी के बाहर के बहुत सारे स्टेटों से तो डेफिनेटली
हाँ, हाँ, बहुत सारे.
मैं भी बहुत जगह घूमा
much
हूँ.
safer.
आपको ज्यादा पता रहेगा क्योंकि
Much
आप
safer.
इंडिया के बाहर आप रशिया पे भी गए थे ट्रेनिंग के लिए. तो अंकल कुछ बताइए ना,
क्या?
जो भी आपका स्टार्टिंग वगैरह आर्मी
Starting,
में
but army,
किस साल में आपने किए थे, आपने कौन सा वॉर भी अपने?
My father one morning said, "You want to appear for competitive exams?" I said, "Yes, let me try." He said, "Okay, you study for 6 months, then you appear for competitive exams." This is Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun. It's a military school. It was meant for British civil servants and British military officers. It was set up in 1923. So my father felt that I'll make a good military person. He felt like that. Although he was inspired by military persons because he has worked in British Army in the accounts department, right? Later on, he was chief accountant of Indian Tea Association in Shillong. So he has interacted with a lot of Britishers. So he was a lot of impressed by their way of life, dealing with things. So 6 months I struggled with maths. I was weak. In any case, everybody is weak with maths, arithmetic and geometry. Plus English I was very good. So my father said, "Okay, why not give it a try?"
अभी हिंदी कर दो.
Right? So having appeared, to my great surprise, I stood first in the state.
अंकल का हिंदी भी इंग्लिश जैसा लगता है यार.
हाँ.
मतलब ये शायद को आ रही
हिंदी कर दो, बहुत लोग देखेंगे उनको नहीं समझे.
हाँ.
तो ये स्टेट का फर्स्ट होने से फर्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट वाज, जो मिला हमको, सर हॉरेन मुखर्जी, गवर्नर ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल, स्कॉलरशिप. दैट टाइम इट वाज 10,000 rupees per month. That time 1960, imagine the amount.
1960, 10,000
per month.
बाप रे.
That covered all my boarding expenses, it covered all my tuition expenses and all my personal expenses.
पर्सनल एक्सपेंस का आपका तो कुछ था भी
My
नहीं.
uniform, whatever family has to give. Yeah.
पर्सनल एक्सपेंस
From family side.
आपके नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का, आपके बेटे का, मेरा है पर्सनल एक्सपेंस.
आपकी, I have no personal expenses even today, zero.
I know, that's why I say.
And that time my father said, "No, you should be presentable and these minimum things have to be given by the family." So the family expenses also covered. So Sir Haren Mukherjee scholarship, I don't know, it is there mentioned in Governor of West Bengal records. And I got Government of India scholarship, 2 scholarships. So National Defence Academy, first attempt. And 1964, my principal told me, Professor Deen Dayal from UK. He studied in UK, he looked like an Englishman. So he told me, once you go for the SSB, if you don't clear the SSB, don't come back to school. Please ask your parents to take you home, because I will not give a second chance. The reputation of school is involved. And do something else in life. So as my great luck would have it, I had to go to SSB Allahabad. SSB is famous for not selection, it is famous for rejection.
अच्छा.
As my great luck would have it. Now that is SSB Allahabad, there was a brigadier at that time. Punjabi chap.
जोर से बोलो.
So his
जय माता दी.
मेरे को मालूम था ये बोलने वाला.
so that brigadier found that this is a curious boy who refuses to bow down to any type of questions, psychological questions, any types, general knowledge, any type. He is ready with all the answers. So finally he gave up that I cannot reject this boy, I have to select him. So he was forced to select me. First NDA attempt. So I was a young man. When I joined India, I was a very young man. Means my age was less when I went to India. So SSB Allahabad, that was a record. The entire school celebrated my selection because they had given up hope that there is no chance of getting selected. Entire school selected, mind you. Well, it's a totally against the tide. So anyway, National Defence Academy landed up. My father went there to Khadagwasla. So made ensure that I am comfortable with my own things. So anyway, once I joined India, then I became like any other person. There's nothing outstanding there because all cadets are treated similarly. Everything is.
तो आप कहाँ पे मतलब मोस्टली लोकेटेड थे?
Be careful. Be careful.
আমি দেখছি ওনাকে, I thought
वो
উনি
देखছে
দাঁড়ান।
না. Be careful. Be very careful. So thereafter National Defence Academy, 3 years. I didn't know how it finished or sailed through, and I did reasonably well, and came to Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. So the 3 streams, the Indian military, the Army cadets go to Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. The Air Force cadets go for flying college in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, and the naval students go to Cochin for training on the ships. So Indian Military Academy 1 year, again back to Dehradun, and passed out in 1968 December. We could barely march out. It was so cold. Dehradun plains. Okay, so 1968, and my choice was Corps of Engineers. My father told me, I don't want any Gada Banduk in your life, right? I said, fine, I will join Corps of Engineers. I will study more.